the law of attraction. Unveiling its hidden powers. Did you know that the law of attraction is more than just wishful thinking? It's a powerful force in the universe that can help you manifest your dreams. At its core, the law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. Positive thoughts and emotions will attract positive experiences into your life. Visualization is a key element in making the law of attraction work for you. By vividly imagining your goals and desires, you can align yourself with the frequency of success. Affirmations are another effective tool. By repeating positive, present tense statements, you send a clear signal to the universe about what you want to attract. Gratitude is essential. Appreciating what you already have raises your vibrations and invites more blessings into your life. But there's more to the law of attraction than just positive thinking. Taking inspired action is vital in turning your dreams into reality. Stay open to opportunities and follow your intuition. The universe will guide you towards the right path if you are receptive. Let go of limiting beliefs and doubts. Trust in the process and have faith that your desires are on their way to you. The law of attraction is not magic but a science. It works through the power of energy and vibration. Tune into your emotions and align them with your desires. Patience is key. Manifestations may take time. Keep consistent in your practices and don't lose faith. Your dreams are closer than you think. Remember, the law of attraction is not just about materialistic gains. Instead, it includes attracting joy, love, and experiences that bring true fulfillment. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. So, be mindful of what you focus on. Shift your mindset to one of abundance and watch the magic unfold. Surround yourself with positive people and environments that support your desires. Energy is contagious, and that positivity will fuel your manifestations. Believe that you are deserving and worthy of your dreams. Embrace self-love and watch as the universe mirrors that love back to you. Avoid dwelling on what you don't want. Focus on what you desire instead. The law of attraction responds to your dominant thoughts. Practice daily gratitude and celebrate even the smallest wins. Gratitude amplifies the energy of your manifestations and attracts even more abundance. Trust the timing of the universe. Sometimes, what you desire isn't what you need right now. Have faith that everything is unfolding perfectly. Stay positive, even during challenging times. Difficulties are opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace them, and they will pave the way for great things. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a powerful force that can transform your life. By harnessing the power of positive thoughts, emotions, and actions, you can manifest your dreams and live a life of abundance.